This is Locker, 10437. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all 5 times. Here we go. Pace her in. These are your random teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Knicks, bottom Mavericks. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it exactly where you picked up your spots in 0437. V save. All right, good luck to all. Here we go. We'll flip her around and reverse it. And seals get the deal. So there's first seal slashed. Oh, there's the second seal slashed. All right. That is nice for the Lakers. It is Magic Johnson. That's very nice. Congratulations to the Lakers. Who's got him? All right, they're not in that one. Spot 14, 1-4. Good buddy. Hayden Upton. Congrats. There we go. Congrats, Hayden.